ASUS router IPv6 dropping devices. Disable temporarily. Step 1. Access router settings. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address to access the login page. Enter your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to IPv6 settings. Once logged in, look for the Advanced Settings section on the left-hand menu. Click on IPv6 to open the IPv6 configuration page. Step 3. Disable IPv6 connection type. On the IPv6 settings page, find the connection type drop-down menu. Select Disable from the available options to turn off IPv6. Step 4. Apply the settings. After selecting Disable, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Apply or Apply Changes button to save your new settings. Your router will likely reboot. Step 5. Verify connecting stability. Once the router has rebooted, monitor your devices to see if the connection dropping issue has been resolved. If the problem no longer occurs, it indicates that IPv6 was likely the cause. You can then investigate further or keep it disabled if IPv6 isn't essential for your network.